Today we will compare two companies that revolutionized the payments industry and changed our lives for the better. Now imagine how much money you could earn if you bought shares of a particular company for just $100. Below you can find a table that shows how useful investments can be. Visa Inc. was launched in September 1958 by Bank of America as the Bank Mastercard credit card program in response to competitor Mastercard, now Mastercard. Mastercard, originally known as Interbank from 1966 to 1969 and Mastercard from 1969 to 1979, was created by an alliance of several regional bank card associations. In 2012, Visa decided to consolidate its headquarters in Foster City, where 3,100 of its 7,700 global workers are employed. Visa had been headquartered in San Francisco until 1985, when it moved to San Mateo. Around 1993, Visa began consolidating various scattered offices in San Mateo to a location in Foster City. Visa became Foster City's largest employer. Mastercard Inc. is an American multinational financial services corporation headquartered in the Mastercard International Global Headquarters in Purchase, New York. The global operations headquarters is located in O'Fallon, Missouri. Visa's core products include credit, debit, and prepaid cards, as well as business solutions and global ATM services. Mastercard's core products also include credit, debit, prepaid cards, and a commercial product business. As of fiscal year 2021, the total number of Visa's employees had reached around 21,500. Mastercard's total number of employees in 2021 was 24,000. The average estimated annual salary, including base and bonus at Visa, is $144,916 or $69 per hour. The average estimated annual salary, including base and bonus at Mastercard, is $126,023 or $60 per hour. As of April 2022, Visa has a market cap of $460.8 billion. This makes Visa the world's 13th most valuable company by market cap. As of April 2022, Mastercard has a market cap of $351.45 billion. This makes Mastercard the world's 23rd most valuable company by market cap. Visa makes its profits by selling services as a middleman between financial institutions and merchants. The annual revenue for 2021 was $24.1 billion, a 10.34% increase from 2020. Mastercard's annual revenue for 2020 was $18.8 billion, a 23.42% increase from 2020. Visa annual net income for 2021 was $12.3 billion, a 13.3% increase from 2020. In the fiscal year 2021, Mastercard reported a net income of over $2.38 billion, a 35.5% increase from 2020. Visa's annual dividend in 2021 was 37 cents, or 0.7% per share. Mastercard's annual dividend in 2021 was 49 cents, or 0.55% per share. Visa income taxes for the 12 months ending December 31, 2021 were $3.75 billion. Mastercard income taxes for 2021 were $1.62 billion. Visa shares were worth $213 when the video was recorded. At the same time, Mastercard shares were worth $359. The banking sector, like many sectors of the economy, grew very rapidly during the pandemic. The largest jump in share prices was recorded from 2020 to 2021. The company's shares rose from $146 to $249, or by 70.5%. Immediately after a significant decline, Mastercard shares grew from $211 to $393, or by 86% in 1 year. The average annual growth of Visa shares for the last 14 years was 87%. Over the past 18 years, Mastercard shares have grown by an average of 438% per year. The lowest share price in the history of Visa was $11, which was in 2009 after 9 months from the IPO. In 2008, Visa raises $17.9 billion in a record IPO. Mastercard's lowest ever share price was $4.39 after 2 months from the IPO. The biggest decline of Visa shares was in 2008, during the global economic crisis, when the company's shares fell from $20 to $11, or by 45%. The largest decline in Mastercard shares was recorded at the initial stage of the coronavirus pandemic. Then the shares immediately fell from $340 to $211, or by 37.9%. Comparing the figures, we can see that all the indicators of Visa are better than those of the Mastercard, except for one, the average growth of the company's share price. And this is a very important indicator for investors, because since the IPO, Mastercard shares have risen much faster than Visa shares, which means that investors earned more money.